Right, good morning everyone. Make a flower, and I just thought, you know, I know how you lot like to be here as well. Now it's just using up oddments. I have a lot of oddments that I need to use. I've found more and more bags of things when I've been doing a project. All the scrappy bits. Although that's new, but these are scrappy bits that I have, and I don't like wasting them. Now Raymond's busy doing the bathroom. We're decorating at the moment. It needed doing, I mean, it looked tidy enough, but you know, you just want it. I don't do it every year like some people do their decorating every year. I met mine last 2 or 3 years. Can't be asked, too bloody old. Neither one of us can reach properly, me because of my shoulder. You know, Raymond's not a young chicken anymore. Neither of us are, but we just like to keep it tidy-ish, but make it last as long as possible. You know, we don't have kids around spoiling paintwork and paperwork and things like that. So, not saying they all do, but some do. And we just like to keep it tidy. So every now and again we will redo a room. Yes, I'm doing my living room again. I mean, I haven't done it for 3 years. I think it was 3 years. We've had like wine colour, but I've found now when I want to just sit and relax, it's quite dull unless we put the lamps on. So at night, I mean, and it's not cosy. So we've decided to go different colour altogether, and I will show you the before and afters. So there, that'll be a little video to watch, won't it? So we've got a couple of those. And I'm just going for it. I'm not even going to think about it, to be honest, and just go for it. So I want that in the middle, like that. I'm going to also do that one. Alternate that, like that. So it's going to lift the flower up. I have some of these. I know you're going to say, don't cut it. I'm going to cut it. I'm just going to cut those off. And that makes another doily anyway, so I'm not fussed. Nothing will go to waste, as you know. But I'm just going to pop that there. You will be able to see everything that I'm doing. And everything I put on it. Like that. Swing that around. Oops. Up there. Yeah, so you might add a bit of drilling, bit of banging. We've got a new unit I've bought to go in the bathroom. Just because we have a bottle, we use bottled water a lot. And I don't want the bottled water, I want the bottled water to, I don't want it out to be seen, you know. So I've just cut that. Now, let me get my, and we're just going to singe all of that, so that's all away. I'm going to put that on. Only because I can. I'm just going to sit that there. Yeah. And I'm going to add another couple of these, I think. Yeah, so we're going a totally different colour. Completely new colour for me. And it's a colour I wouldn't generally have. I don't want to put it underneath. I'm going to keep that on top there. And then what I'm going to do is take just a little bit of this gathered cream, and we'll make a little flower out of this, I think. So I managed to, I tell you, I'm doing it olive green mixed with jade green. It's not jade, sage green. I've never gone this colour before. Never. I don't like green, but the colours today of green are so much nicer, and I simply love the olive colour. It's the apple greens and things like that, and lime greens I don't like, but I love the olive and sage. So we're doing a combo of that. The curtains are like a sage green. The walls are going to be a very light sage, and then an olive green mantle, you know, like the alcoves, the two alcoves and the mantelpiece, above the mantelpiece. Will be done in the olive green, and they do go really well together, and I'm so looking forward to it, doing that. And we're going to brighten up the hallway with the liquor paint. We're not decorating it, just the basic liquor paint, that's all. It's time it was done. Right, I'm just making sure I've got enough of this one. So yeah, and that'll be another 3 years before we do anything. I don't care. Not doing it, can't be bothered. And pull that in, but I want to leave a little gap in the middle. So I'm just going to pull that to one side, turn it the other way around and stitch that off. Like that. That'll do. It's not going anywhere, I don't think. And then we just stick that in the middle. Like that. So you can still see the pink and the cream together. Like that. Now, I do have some of these. I don't know whether to use the... Yes, I think I will, because then that'll bring out the pink. And I'm going to use 4 of the statement. We do sell these in lots of colours, folks. Please run along to the shop. Like I say, we've got some beautiful, beautiful things for sale, and our prices are very, very, very reasonable. So I now need to get into there. So I need to kind of like use my pokey tool. I'm not finished with it yet. So I'm just sharing with you how you can enhance something like this without going over the top. So what I'm going to do now is to take hold of some of this lace, glue about 1 inch, and then on the very edge, like that, and pinch. Now that puckered that a little bit, so I didn't do enough round there. Not happy with it, but it'll do. But look how that makes a difference. And then what we can do is to use these leaves that I have. So what I'm going to do is take off the back, that bit there. Take that little spine. Now I never waste them because they come in handy when you're making flowers. And then I'm just going to glue. Let me just trim this to the... just to lay it a little bit flatter. I'm just going to glue it. And then you pop that flower in there like that. Let me just make sure that's in the centre, kind of. Yeah. Now, put the glue stick in. And just pin that on like that so it stays put. Now I could have split them completely and moved them out a little bit more, but I think when you've got a flower this size you don't want the leaves sticking right out. They just sit underneath your flower. you know. It's peeing me off, but it'll do. That's fine. I do like that, I do like that. No, but that's fine. I'm happy with that. And then, like I say, drop by the shop. We've got some awesome goodies in there. There's a lot of things on sale at the moment. I'm not reducing them any more than what I have done. And go grab a bargain or two. It supports me, it supports my work, and it helps keep these videos free. Alright, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.